Good morning, everybody. It's Chad from the Right Line. Welcome back. I'm underneath Chewy this morning, and we are going to do his first oil change since installing the Quadratec aluminum skid plate system. The engine skid plate has an access panel right there. It's got 4 Phillips head screws to take it off, and then we can take the drain plug out of the oil pan and start draining. Changing oil isn't anything spectacular, but I wanted to share it with you after putting on that aluminum skid plate system from Quadratec. Everybody's going to make this mistake once in their life. Everybody. They're going to start to fill the crankcase before they put the drain plug back in. There you go, super easy. Changing the filter, the one O-ring around the cover, and then oil around both O-rings. It's pretty simple. And the sound is horrible here, but if you want to know how to reset your oil life on your gauge, turn the key and press the gas pedal 3 times.